Hello everybody, Marty Richards with Greater Richland Tourism here today. And you know, for those folks looking to beat the heat, because we've had a hot summer, if you're looking to beat the heat, I have the place for you. So right here in the middle or the center of the Greater Richland area, we have one of the best of class aquatic centers. And that's right, I'm standing outside, or almost getting involved in, the Woodman Aquatic Center right here in Richland Center. And really a cool place that has something for everybody. Whether you're an adult with some mobility concerns, or if you're just a young one wanting to play in the splash pad, we've got a zero entrance pool where you can just walk gently into it, a lazy river, which I'm really good at. I could go to the Olympics in the lazy river. Or if you're a little more a thrill seeker, we got the big yellow tube slide, as you can see. Very affordable rates to come and enjoy the whole day. Or if you want to just do some exercise in the mornings from 10 o'clock to 12, they do the lazy river where you can walk in it. So it's just a really cool casual exercise class. So that's all right here at the Woodman Aquatic Center. And they do have a couple of important dates coming up. So on Friday, August 28th, they have their Dive-In Luau celebration. You can find all of those details at our calendar of events at greaterrichlandtourism.com. But also a very important date, because you don't want to miss out on it, and that is on Saturday, August 29th. That is their last day of operation for the summer. So we've got all the month of August to really enjoy the Woodman Aquatic Center, use it to cool off. We've had a heck of a hot one this summer, some really tough stretches, but it's really nice to have this available where if you're having that trip here to the Greater Richland area, you can show up, cool off for very affordable rates. So for the Woodman Aquatic Center and Greater Richland Tourism, I'm Marty Richards. Let's everybody have a great day.